Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, this one's trying to battle. It's trying to hold, and to be fair, from a bigger picture point of view, the chart does still have the opportunity to build a higher base and to maintain itself, although things just seem shaky now. And I could be wrong, and it would not be the first time, won't be the last. But it just doesn't seem like this thing has the power that it used to have. But again, to be fair, I could be wrong because although it pulled back a little bit more today, it still got the chance to build an overall higher base by staying up here above that green line right there around 17.5 cents. I mean, if you go back through the history of things, you can see 17.5 did a good job of holding strong there. And then you fast forward to today, and once again did a good job of holding strong right around that area. And if that does continue to happen, so in other words, if the price does come back down to that area, behaves in that manner, and then, works its way back upwards, from the big picture point of view, you'd still have a perfectly healthy trend. You'd still have a set of lows there. You'd have those lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, and even you have a low right there, if you envision each of those as stair steps, well, you still have overall stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. Now, if you're some sort of day trader and you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 10 minutes. Well, from that perspective, yeah, you don't really care about these levels here that I'm talking about. But assuming you care about the grand scheme of it all, then that's really what it's about, is that 17.5 cent mark. And even though things do look a little shaky right now, like I said, to be fair, the price does still have the opportunity to maybe build up that overall higher base. So in other words, 17.5 cents, definitely a very important level of support to watch moving forward. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, first key level to watch is going to be right up there at 20.5 cents. And then after 20.5, actually, I'm just going to leave it at that. Let's just see if the price can even get up, back up to that area, let alone break up above it. So those are going to be the main technical levels to watch moving forward. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.